Hey, Mustang Stampede. Have a little in-home repair this evening. The in-home repairs are pretty cool, right? Typically, if you don't have to bring a plumber in, or you can prevent having to buy a whole new fixture, you save quite a bit of money. Our house was built in 2005-ish, early March 2005. Started in 2004. We have a Crane plumbing toilet, and I've already replaced the inside guts once, but not the handle. The handle was basically just like the ball and chain one with the flapper on the chain. Since then, I've upgraded the insides to a different style refill system. So what happened was this broke off of the arm right there. All right, so we went and got this. We picked up a Corky brush nickel 6071. It's a universal fit. The instructions are very easy. You basically pull out a couple clips, adjust the arm, and then tighten her down. So here's what you're looking at. So basically, this nut here is going to be reverse thread. All right. So the reverse thread is so when you're flushing, you're not unscrewing itself. So it is a reverse thread. There is a little bit of a gasket type material in between the handle and here. Okay, and then you just take this red clip out and this red clip out, then you adjust it until your arm is into your fitting. All right, so super easy. Nothing to it. You can do this yourself. I'll leave a link in the description for this brushed nickel handle, and you'll save yourself some money just doing this yourself. Very simple task. As always, thanks for watching.